Hi guys, this is Khushi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a review of this Dom's Art Strokes kit. This is basically a very beginner friendly stationery kit which includes a lots of colors, a drawing book and other art supplies. So the packaging is basically a Ziploc bag which is very thoughtful of them to give a Ziploc bag so that we can keep the supplies again in that packet. So you have a drawing book, some plastic crayons, wax crayons, oil pastels, color pencils, one pencil, one eraser, one scale and one sharpener. So this is the pencil color pack, which is a bicolor pencils. That means that both the sides of the pencil have a different color. Then we have plastic crayons. It has 6 shades. Then there is this 12 shades oil pastels pack with one scraping tool. Then we have a packet of wax crayons. There are 12 shades. I think this pack everybody must have used in their childhood. Then there are also other items such as this pencil. This pencil is very dark and it is also written as a paper friend, which is super cute. Then we have a 15 centimeter scale and one dust free eraser and one pencil sharpener. Then there is also this A4 size drawing book which has 24 pages. So the further video will be including the review of each and every product in detail. So the first one is the plastic crayons. There are 6 shades. There is yellow, light blue, red, dark green and black and brown. So basically this packet has 6 shades and the MRP written on this is 25 rupees. So personally speaking, I basically prefer plastic crayons over wax crayons because plastic crayons are erasable, and the packet also mentions that they are erasable and also sharpenable. So the packet mentions that they are super smooth, and yes, they are very smooth, and also you can see how two colors can be blended together, and I feel like it is very best for school going kids. So also I tried to erase these crayons and they were erasable to quite an extent. If you apply more pressure, maybe they will be completely gone, but these were the results. This packet of color pencils, I did not have a lot of expectations from this because color pencils sometimes they are good, sometimes they are not, but these are super smooth, like you get 12 colors. So basically one pencil has 2 colors. There are 2 different colors on both the sides of the pencil, which is very thoughtful. All these pencils are super smooth, I have to say that, because I tried to blend together yellow, orange and red, and you can basically see the results. They are flawless. And this is not a sponsored video. These all are my genuine reviews. So next we have this packet of wax crayons. There are 12 shades in it, and I feel like while you see these colors you'll find them very colorful, but they are not that pigmented. I feel like wax crayons have always been like that. They are not smooth on paper, but they are quite nice for children to use them. Basically you can use them for those coloring books where there are different Barbies drawn on, vegetables drawn on, fruits drawn, basically that kids coloring books. They are good for that. By mistake I showed like the brown color twice. There are only 12 colors in this packet. And lastly we have a packet of oil pastels. There are 12 shades in this packet. We also get a free scraping tool. I personally never used oil pastels that much. I used to use more of plastic crayons. I remember I used to do this drawing. I think every kid must have done that, using different colors and applying them on the paper, and then on top of that we have to apply black color and use the scraping tool to make like a drawing, and it was a fun activity basically. These oil pastels are super smooth, especially the red, the violet, the dark blue and also the black are very smooth. I've tried to blend together yellow, orange and red. You can see the results. Then I've also tried to use the scraping tool. Like one side is like a plain side, then we have a zigzag side, and other two I don't know how to explain, but you can see them in the video. If you buy all the items in this kit individually, it will cost you more, and I suggest you to buy this kit. It will be more affordable. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.